read the Mizo translation. Manaya sabi sa bapahati auma amoy siya ta anilaw ni amoy tapsuan azay di maya mas.
So taon ka suyo mo. Gender, so we have a gender suffix here in Mizo language. For example, in the male name we have R
with R.
Yes. It ends with R.
I think you should follow what would suit the Mizo culture and Mizo reader.
So we have to
you must
do domestication. So
okay, sir. A boy bereft of father. An old lady had a son, as his father had died long ago. He was bereft of fatherly affection. One evening, his maternal uncle told him, Mizo translated word, a boy bereft of father, that means panelaba or palaba. Peter pakhatyan papa aneya, zuno pang zu ashin tupa ino pang te anilaya athi santo abang in
several things. Bursting of glacial lake up in the Himalayas, large scale flooding, lands BBC terminological coherence, Chetnapam, Himalaya, Tlang, Paratara, Wood Queen, me, Atilan, Laminte.
Mr. Karen Lujama. He is not only a translator, he is also a poet. Good for us.
the translation is like this.
He is a poet and publishes poems, books.
Granny was the best cook in the world. The town we lived in was called Dehradun. It's still there. Though much bigger and busier since independence. In the Mizo translation, let me read the Mizo translation. Kapi chu khovel asiam thiam ber ani hialang kachena kho chu Dehradun ani ya tuna po ala omrenga amai ro chu zalen nani nuwa te khachuan
Masih til pakai itu, ada orang kasih licin di le teh fehung dia ke dah kau kira kau ke tiap belum ni cuman, asal tu teh fehung kan lesa dan kata kami ke acian satu orang yang timah.
The book Grammar and Yoga. The reason I've chosen this is because it's a series of mantras and their English explanation. I think it gives a good gist of the whole translation process. So it goes Om Astoma Sadgamaya, Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya, Om Shanti Shanti. Om, the translation for this is, so I haven't translated the mantras, but
what I was coming to.
Yes,
you need not translate the mantra. Mantra will remain in original.
Yes, sir, but just the explanation. Yes, sir. Mizo chunga Om Zia. Om Thil Tak Tak Lau, bracketa, and reality, Achanga Thil Taka, reality. Minshwai luta tim bracketa omziatsu a shat launa achangin enga bracketa shat na le thi na achanga thi thei launa a minshwai lutang se
Tapi sarso yang kanin kalau yang Mizo ada kan dek lagi lau tu mang cari dek aja, naya hendak dek ada lau thei lau thi lagi mo, kau ini lau kau kasi. So the translation is very good.
Yeah, but you are giving some words within brackets in English. You think it is necessary?
No.
Cannot be accurately translated in Mizo. For example, reality or let's say
unlike the Neanderthals who used fire only for roasting meat and tubers, the Cro-Magnons and their contemporaries used fire also to light up and to boil. So the Mizo translation goes like this: Neanderthal te angin mei chu sa le thlai bul bok hem hin nan chaw mang lovin Cro-Magnon holy an hulaya mi te chuan mei al chu enga tan le tui chuan lom nan an mang boka
Kamu pun yang kian sih kan, afi abi ketia ding kan, ketia kan. Hey Mizo le di na chuan, nam dang thila ni kan le tinan tlang ming ti te, kha thil kha tlang ni nge di lo ti kan sian torin, cumi kan mi tlang han ti ya ming ti na ma tlang han ti, siapa wang ti te lui han ti am siapa mo, ketia kha api ti tu ke ti, in kamu pun yang ti, siapa ini lo siang kamu nasi api na tu le siang tu kha ti je.